Hello everyone from another new technical analysis video, friends. I'm Omar Farouk. Today we will analyze XRP again and see what happened in the market, friends. The analysis that we did in the last video is right here, and I hope you are aware of this analysis. And if you subscribe to the channel, you can benefit from the information here very quickly. In the analysis in the last video, we said this. The price was around here on March 3rd. I said that with the rise from these episodes, the maximum would be $2.80, and then a very hard sell-off. If there is a possibility that the price will go up from here, I said that the price will sell again at $3.25 and form a new direction downwards from here. The direction that has formed for the moment is the direction we first drew, and I saw the possibility of this direction as more likely. So I'm deleting this upward movement and we'll continue where we left off. Now I would like to talk about the Elliott Wave variation here, where an ABC wave ends and a new ABC wave starts, and actually the main trend is exactly this. I will show you that now. Look, with the last exit move here, XRP is actually just starting a triple decline, and this part will come harder. And here, friends, I can actually talk about the beginning of our journey towards the big A, the big B, and the big C. These divisions are going to be very important for us, and I think the prices have to sell really high. If we lose that division in XRP, that's exactly $2.03. With the loss of this section, I can say that a new wave of selling will start in the price. The new bearish wave here may actually be an impulse wave. A scenario like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on the table right now. And with this episode happening, this third wave is where much more volatile and harsh movements will appear. After seeing this, I think it will be natural for the price to come to the bottom. That is, to the band range of $1.20 to $1.5. My only condition for the price to be positive is this, and that is that the price here must be exceeded. So if the 290s are exceeded, we can talk about new targets in the price. For the moment, it is closer to breaking this resistance, and if XRP shows such a movement in the new week with the break here, I think it will continue again as a decline. I can tell you that the XRP reviews I have done here have been 100% successful. Because Elliott Wave works very well, it's a good variation and a good method. I hope it is useful for you too. Look, the uptrend here needs to get rid of the price. In this uptrend, if the price breaks the lower band, I think this scenario will be seen for us. It is quite natural for a movement to come in this way. Because look, there was a trend in XRP on a weekly basis, and there was a place that we only examined as the closing of the price. That's exactly this region, see? This channel that I had drawn on a closing basis was broken as the price here could not throw itself above the middle band on a weekly basis. It broke on a lot of volume. The next new weekly candle here could come down much harder. I advise you to be careful. Whatever the price is, they need to be bought in the right places. Therefore, I think it would be very correct for me to show you the following. Look, according to the Fibonacci levels in the price, breaking this 236 zone will take us directly down to 147. So I think $1.47 will be the first target for us. That's right in this section. With a deep sale here, a retest followed by 147. If a very large wave of sales comes, $1.14 directly from Bitcoin is the levels we can use as a buying place for us. Is it normal to expect such a big decline? I think the general mood of the market for the moment is negative, and this is very important for us in search of a certain bottom. After telling you these, I will briefly look at a Bitcoin and finish my analysis. Friends, yes, look, there is a falling structure in Bitcoin, and it is very critical for us that the price here cannot exceed the middle band. That is, it cannot exceed $84,000, and then at $78,300, our previous bottom will be tried again. I think this place will be broken, and as I mentioned in the previous videos in Banned Bitcoin, I think that $62,000 to $63,000 will be support for us, and the real buyer will emerge exactly from these sections. That's probably how our price movements will be. Until then, and we will be able to use these episodes as a positive buying place for us. My advice to you is that when you see a big dump in the market, wait for the right places to take advantage of it. Don't rush. And after this movement here, we will see a rise in accumulation. Afterwards, I think Bitcoin will turn up again. But naturally, where to buy? $63,200, $62,000? These levels are very important for me in Bitcoin. After telling you these, I would like to briefly look at Bitcoin dominance. Look, Bitcoin dominance has broken this downtrend, and with the break here, harder attacks may come. This high movement here will hurt the altcoins very badly, friends. Don't believe the news in the market. If Trump was telling the truth, if he was saying that he did not sell Bitcoins, why is Bitcoin at 82,000 now? Prices should have moved, but they didn't. Positive news is no longer effective. People are buying coins, and I recommend you to be careful about these things. If the dominance gets too high, you can expect 40 and 50% drops in the altcoins. Fasten your seatbelts. This is the last call. Thank you for watching my analysis. I would also be very happy if you subscribe to the channel, friends. I say, and take care of yourself. Have a good day.